Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an eBay seller account in the USA. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for eBay seller account. Click on the registration link and select Create an eBay account. You will see two options, personal and business accounts. While a personal account is common, we will select the business account option. Enter your business name, email address, and create a password. Set your location to the USA. Check the option I only want to buy for now and click Create Account. Next, verify your email and enter your phone number. eBay will send a security code. Enter it to complete verification. After verification, input your shipping address. This can be your home address or a PO box. Once done, you will be directed to eBay's Seller Hub, where you can manage your selling activities. Here, you can access tutorials on listing items, understanding eBay's policies, and optimizing your account settings. To build credibility, consider buying a few items to establish a positive feedback record. When ready, go to Seller Hub and click Create a Listing. Use the search bar to find similar items, add a detailed description, and upload high-quality photos. Before listing, enter your payment details to receive payouts. So that's basically how you can create an eBay seller account in the USA. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.